Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go.
Match 18 is underway here, reaching up within the first, 2 milliseconds. We have 2 of the 3 Blue Alliance machines, and then the third one follows just seconds later. 5 pieces of coral, 6, 7, 8. Level 4, over halfway complete in the autonomous period on that Blue Alliance reef, contributing to that whopping 71-point score you see there to the Red Alliance's 30. A domineering start needs to be followed up by domineering continuance in the teller-operated period. We're seeing some of that already from Denim Venom as they scoop up 2 algae processes within the first 10 seconds of teleop. That secures their half of the cooperation bargain. Let's see what the Red Alliance's answer, if any, to that is. Right now they're focused almost exclusively on coral on the center reef, and now they have to also contend with the algae that they might be able to process for co-op, getting scooped up by the Blue Alliance machine of Hilltopper Robotics. That's 1732 out of Milwaukee, trying to get layups on the center barge with it, although they might be diverting strategy here. Let's see how it goes. Rolling Thunder at the red processor, gets pushed out of the way by Hilltopper. Hilltopper layup, bounces off the rim, and they're gonna head back to Blue Alliance territory, heading home. 30-point swing in your match, 1:15 left to play. Rolling Thunder finally able to get a hold of a piece of algae, and they will process their first long-awaited piece through that processor. Blue Alliance human player already ready to go, returns it for 4 points back on their own barge net. Red Alliance showing a co-op indicator, so they must have gotten another algae while I wasn't looking, and that's good enough for Rolling Thunder. They head over to Blue Turf. They're gonna lock down the top right coral station there. That's Hilltopper back at that coral station. They're actually kind of pushing their alliance partners, Denim Venom, out of the way there for a quick minute. Venom with a piece of coral in front of them. They'll scoop it up and twist it 360 on the way up and land it on level 3 of the Alliance Reef. That one's good for 4 points, helping to keep them still up by 20-odd points as we descend into our endgame time frame. Rolling Thunder on the barge net, 4 points of Alliance score for that quick layup of algae, and they will now start grappling with the deep cage in front of them. Blue Alliance, 1 machine already up in the air, and it looks like that's Hilltopper out of Wisconsin. Robo Bees out of Maryland, possibly joining them. That would be 24 points swinging in the air between them two. Add 12 more for that third deep cage climb, and we might have a full triple over on Blue Archimedes. The Blue Alliance steady the whole way through, taking that autonomous advantage and following through until the very end. 239 to 197 is your final score there. All 6 of the available ranking points getting scooped up there by that Blue Alliance. All 3 bonuses acquired.